Why does pythonnet use the base method instead of the method from a derived class? Edit. This will be fixed in a new version of pythonnet when this pull request is merged. I have a problem with pythonnet inheritance. I have a DLL which consists of the following code. I would expect a call to the transmit method of an instance of inherited class to write to the console and return true, and the transmit method of base class to throw a not implemented exception. When running the following Python code, I am using pythonnet version 2.3.0 and .NET Framework 4.6.1. Thanks for your help. Edit. This is not answered by this question. There, it is said that the new modifier instructs the compiler to use your child class implementation instead of the parent class implementation. Any code that is not referencing your class but the parent class will use the parent class implementation, which is clearly not what happens here. Edit 2. This seems to be a problem with the pythonnet library. The issue is now on GitHub.
The pythonnet method resolution, the bind method found in the methodbinder.cs file, could be improved quite a lot. Anyway, this method currently doesn't really care about types hierarchies. One simple solution is to change the method sorter class so it favors derived class when it sorts methods to determine which one will be chosen by the bind call. Before After Note: I've not ran extensive tests, so I'm not sure this will not break something else. As I say, this whole method binding code seems fragile.
If you want to say more, press consider subscribing.